What's up, everybody? Then trying to back with another video. Man, today's the day, man. You know what I'm saying? Obviously I'm currently on the road, but I'm going to Iowa, Waterloo to be exact. Cause I'm gonna go pick up another car. So yeah. It's something that has been on my list for a while now, but I'm finally not gonna get it. You know what I'm saying? I know you guys are definitely gonna like it for sure. Obviously, I'm not gonna say what it is, but you know, we just gotta find out what it is when I get it. But yeah, anyways, about almost 4-hour drive from my place, so about 3.5 hours. So it's gonna be a long ass drive. This is the farthest I've ever driven before, and I don't like it. You know what I'm saying? I don't like driving far. Especially after what happened to my last 300. You know what I'm saying? Got stranded 2 hours away, so I'm still kind of scared, you know. Just kind of scared of that, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? I'll see y'all when we get to the dealership. I'm buying from a dealership, that's another thing. If y'all know me, you know I don't like dealerships. You know what I'm saying? I just, you know, especially used car dealers. I do not fuck with dealers. I'm gonna try to buy my car from private parties, which I've been doing pretty much all my life. So, well, you know, they had this car that I really wanted, and the price is actually pretty good. You know, so. But yeah, and also a quick update. I did sell the Lincoln already, the MKS. I know I just made a video saying I just bought it and stuff like that, but I don't know. I didn't feel like it was well received. You know. Quite frankly, that car's kind of boring, to be honest. I can't really do much to it. It's a V6. I mean, I can do stuff to it, but like, you know, like, but this one's gonna be, you know, it's nice and exciting. It's a V8, I'll tell you that much, it's a V8. But anyways, I'm already blabbing too much, man. See y'all when we get there, man. What's up, everybody? That's a quick update, man. I'm about an hour and 20 minutes out. So we're almost there. Yeah, man, you know, weather's pretty nice today. Yeah, the cat is doing well, you know what I'm saying? Driving fine, no issues or anything. So yeah, anyways, see y'all when we get there. Alright, just want to show y'all my in case you wanted to figure out what the MPG is in this car. So right now I'm currently average about 26.1 miles per gallon, which is pretty good, you know, for V8 all-wheel drive. So check engine light is on for the P0420, the cat code. So I'm pretty sure that's what it is, so I'm not worried about that. But anyways, 26.1 MPG, V8 all-wheel drive, not bad, you know. We're doing pretty good. I did clear that before I started this little trip, so that's so I could get a more accurate reading. And I started with, it wasn't quite full, but almost full. That's where it is now. So yeah, we're doing good on gas. I'll probably have to fill up when I get there again to go back. So all right, everybody, and the deal is done, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here in Iowa, Waterloo. I already looked at the car too for this. I didn't want to record all that because I want to take my time and look at everything and make sure everything is good. But anyway, I'm gonna show you what the car is. You already know, man. You already know what it is, man. Yeah, man, this is the whip, bro. You know what I'm saying? 05 300C, 300 is back. You know, there's a couple of things wrong with it, but all in, I paid $4,800 for it. You know, but anyways, the screen doesn't work. The radio works, but the screen doesn't work. But that's not a big deal because I'm gonna put in an aftermarket radio, so I don't really care about that. And it has a check engine light for all pressure sensor. But the all pressure sensor is reading right on the dash, so I don't know. I'll probably just swap that out. It's an easy, you know, $40 part. Besides that though, I already took it for a test drive. Everything works fine. So yeah, we're good to go. And about to hit the road, man. And I gotta get some gas first though. Man, it's crazy. I can't believe I'm in 300 again. But yeah, I'm gonna hit the road, man. I'll see y'all. You know, probably make some updates. I'll see y'all when I get back. to Minneapolis. So another 4-hour drive, man. Let's see if this car's gonna make it. Pulling up both cars. I guess that one's already filled up. Drive 3 hours, 4 hours, damn near. But anyways, drives good. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, other than those two things that don't work, the car is pretty much perfect. I'm gonna pop the. God damn it! So I don't remember how to pop the hood. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Yeah. One surprising thing I noticed though about this car. What the hell do I open this shit? God. It's so long. Oh, there it is. Struts still work. There it is, baby. I need to check the oil actually. Yeah, so gas operated 36. Oh, not bad. Driving 300 back, man. It's crazy, man. It's crazy, man. I'm finally back in the truck. This shit feels weird. I'm not gonna lie. It feels big as fuck, man. Like the STS is a big car. Obviously, it's a big, but like this shit feels like a fucking boat, man. It makes the STS look so small. Like everything just seems so big and so spacious, you know. But yeah, man. But anyways, yeah, the weird thing I was talking about is that there's no front end noises in this car actually. You know what I'm saying? Like I was expecting them to be, I was expecting some clunks or something. Like the car is absolutely quiet. It rides smooth. Like absolutely no. I've gone through potholes, bumps. Like that's what I was looking for because, you know, this car's enough for having front end noises, but like absolutely quiet, nothing. So that's good. You know, because I literally already had a bunch of I had a front end suspension parts, like literally the whole thing, like control arms, tie rods, inner tie rod, out tie rods, everything on like my wish list. I already had everything because, you know, I was expecting to have some problems with the suspension, so I just replaced them because, you know, they're easy to replace and it's cheap, you know, at least on eBay. But it's quiet, like absolutely nothing. So yeah. Although one thing I just noticed, well, I kind of noticed on the test drive as well. When I brake, it doesn't happen all the time. It's kind of weird, but it kind of like shakes a little bit. So I don't know if one of the rotors is warped or anything. I don't know what's going on with that. I mean, it brakes fine. It just shakes a little bit. So I don't know. So I'm gonna look into that, but I'm not worried about that, to be honest. You know, I cleared the check engine light because I said the check engine light was on for the oil pressure sensor. I'm looking at the gauge, you know, I put the secret menus and I can see the oil pressure sensor is reading correctly. So maybe it's like an intermediate feel. Maybe it's not, it's going bad, but maybe it's not 100% bad yet. The check engine light hasn't come back, at least not yet. So I'm gonna keep my eye on that, but you know, shit is smooth, man. Shit is smooth. Definitely drives a lot smoother than my Cadillac. So it's back there. Well, so bright, I don't know you can see, but I got my girl driving it. She's gonna go back to Minneapolis. Like I said, about 3 hours and 30 minutes, give or take. So almost 4 hours. So I filled up both cars and you know, see how it goes, man. So yeah. The city that I'm in, Waterloo, this place is fucking dead. It's so fucking, it looks so, I don't know, I guess I'm so used to Minneapolis. Everything just looks so old and small and like, I don't like this place, man. I'm not comfortable here. I seen a shit ton of Trump signs coming here, so I'm like, yeah, I don't know about these people, but the guys I bought the car from, the dealers, they seem pretty nice. I didn't want to record it, like I said, when I was looking at the car, I didn't want to like record anything because I wanted to be 100% focused on looking at everything, you know, making sure everything was good. You know, there's no leaks, nothing, everything is great. You know, so I checked the diffs, everything. I looked on the car, and there's no rust, which is a big plus for me because I don't know why there's no rust. This car's been in, well, I think it started its life in Michigan actually, but it's been in Iowa for the most part. And then it was owned by some older guy. He owned it for like, only for a long period of time actually. So that's why, you know, I can tell he probably babied it and took care of it. So seats is nice. Like there's no way. I'll show you all the everything when I get home. So, but it's in really good shape, you know. So I already got the gauges on there. It's just flashlight out called the camera, but it's good. Anyways, I'll see y'all, man, a little bit. Man, Shaw, you're flexing on me, man. Shaw, you're flexing on your boy. What are you doing? I'm gonna shut this shit, man. That shit loud as fuck. Shaw, you're flexing on your boy. Okay. Shit is so quiet, man. I can't wait to fucking do a muffler delay on this thing. Oh my god, all the plans I gotta do to this car. Alright. Alright. Damn, that shit is fucking loud though. That cat is fucking loud. Jesus Christ. My ears was ringing right now. Yeah, sorry though. Touring's about to be loud too, you know what I'm saying? Well, anyways, I've been whipping around. The check engine light isn't back yet, so I'm pretty sure that all pressure sensors probably like an intermittent failure. So car drives fine though, other than that. So shit's good. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, yeah, let's head back. Buddy, man, we made it back, you know what I'm saying? The car's out here, you know, we're back in Minneapolis. A long ass drive, a long ass day, man, but we made it back. Anyways, I feel like I'll give y'all a full walk around of the car. This is it, man. This is it, bro. You know, well, it's running right now. It's so quiet, can't even hear. No ticks, nothing. Yeah, this is pretty much it. But there's no rust on it, which I'm surprised. It's been in the Midwest all its life. I don't know why it has no rust. Yeah, pretty clean. The rims is clean. Trying to take this sticker off. Alright. Yeah, that's the interior. So there's some weird, you know what I'm saying, but pretty clean overall. Yeah. Oh man, I need to pee. Anyways, so yeah, I just drove out like over 20 miles and check engine light didn't come back on, so I'm pretty sure just some intermittent failure. So the first thing I want to fix though is when I brake, it shakes, like, you know, it shakes depending the higher the speed and I brake, the front end shakes. So I'm pretty sure either bolt or one of the rotors is warped. So I'm just gonna end up changing both. So I'm gonna order that as soon as I get home from Rock Auto. It's probably cheap. You know, I'll put that in. But yeah, man, the car's good. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start buying stuff for the car. Is there anything you guys want me to do first? Let me know, because I still don't know what order to do first. You know, I want to tint the windows, I want to buy wheels, I want to do the headlights, tail lights, everything. I don't know what you want to do first, but anyways, man, that's it, man. I hope y'all like this video. Like I said, I got a lot of stuff coming with this car, that's for sure, man. All right, man, see y'all.